Designed for under-counter ovens, the Clevamama transparent oven door guard can instantly reduce the rendered heat of your oven door by up to 50%. When an oven is turned to 220 degrees, the temperature of an oven door can reach as high as 80 degrees or higher. Assembly is quick and simple. Attach all 4 suction pads directly to your oven door. Peel the backing off each sticky pad and mount the oven door guard by pressing on each pad. For optimal bonding, read the enclosed instructions. Repeating the test with the oven guard in place, the results show that the rendered heat has been reduced by over 50%, making this oven door a safe surface for those quick and inquisitive little hands. The transparent oven door guard, brought to you by Clevamama, designed by mums for mums. This guard is not meant to replace parental supervision. Always supervise your child in the kitchen and never allow them near dangerous household appliances.